Don't troll me when I'm eating.
D-Tech! That's Zach, right?
Yeah, that's Zach.
Where the hell has he been at? Yo, we out here.
Parked over there.
My little bro. I just met him. I'm very bad with names. Trouble here right now.
No trouble here.
We out here though. V-Tech. V-Tech. No tech. Tech.
3 to 3 British.
Hey.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, I think he pays like $30-something for a box of the thing.
Oh. I don't.
Oh. Oh shit. Check them out. We got really shit. I'm about to fuck with the Subies right quick. I don't know if Casey's over there or not. But this fucking Civic though. I'm about to fucking picture it. Oh, here she go. There she go. Look at this motherfucker. But that shit look nice in person though. I'm gonna mess with the Latinos. It's like some car that was here. I wanna get it. It's like, that's the same guy that was at the other meet? I think so.
But it's like, yo, I can't be broke and be injured at the same time. It's gonna take 2 months for my arm to heal. But yo, I almost smacked 4 cars the other day, nigga.
Oh, it's the same guy that was on the highway? I should scare the shit out of her ass. The A. Fucking fast running. This. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Why are you late? Why are you late? Hold on, I'm gonna mess with her in a minute. So, that's Jesse's car. That was his. Apparently. I see this car all the time, but I never see the owner. Let's see how skills and shit. I'm gonna mess with her in a second. She made me lose track, god damn it. Hold up. This is his. Bye. Bye. Oh, I got it. Sergio.
You know the guy with the 370Z? With the 370.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hi, my name is Jack. And my last name is Ass.
What the fuck?
But I'm not a jackass.
Hold on, you gotta shout yourself out, man.
Shout me out. How do I?
Just shout out everything. Shout out what you want to shout out, whatever you want to do.
Low life, damn. Yeah, so shout out to me. My name's Me. Follow me at Me. You know what I'm saying? So shout outs to Me. This meet is nice. First time coming out here. You know what I'm saying? Island vibes, you already know. You feel me? It's just me out here, but you know what I'm saying?
It's my
Gotta
dad.
spread the good vibes. You know what I'm saying? That's my son.
That's the one I always call Naked Man.
Yeah, he turned 18, so no more child support. That's why he's not standing next to me. I don't want him nowhere next to me. You feel me? I don't know. No idea. Yeah, man. So we out here, you know what I'm saying, Crofton, Yo, them donuts bomb as hell.
See, I'm poor. I can't do that now.
Yeah, the donuts bomb as hell. Like I had one just now. That joint just melts. Like it's crazy.
I want one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to slide over that joint.
Whole life. Shit, when you do, let me know. Oh, what? Look, we ganging out here. Hold on, what is it? Oh, no, he the enemy. He got a Nikon.
Bro, Nikon is the, yeah.
No.
First of all, look at this picture.
Oh, hey.
Boom.
Hold up.
No bunch of settings or nothing, you know what I'm saying? You just point and shoot. You feel me? That's that quality right there. You feel me?
Cheating.
Blur the background, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying?
That's cheating.
You know what I'm saying?
No, he cheating, y'all.
That's real life on every beehive. You know what I'm saying?
But no, all his information will be down below. Check him out. Support the homie, dude.
We out here spreading the good vibes, man. That's all we do. You feel me?
I've seen him before. With himself. What the fuck?
He get that shit on camera.
Vlog his life. Holy smokes, this soup.
It's all about how you come out. It's all about you
I'm gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it.
Welcome to Crofton.
Bye. I'm out. Delivery.
The sevens have 2 cameras.
Get here.
7 got 2, like regular cameras.
Bye.
So my portrait camera.
It's a fucking hatch. It's so low. I want to photo bomb you. He's leaving me. Are you good? I'm just gonna touch it. I lied. I wanna fuck. Where the fuck did he go?
Look, there he goes. Nigga made it.
The only way I take pictures.
I got him! I got his. See, this is why I call him Naked Man, goddammit. What the fuck? Naked Man is back! And wait. Hashtag save the hair! Yeah.
I don't own a t-shirt.
3, 2, and 1.
You're supposed to be down here in the picture.
Hold up, technical difficulties. How do you do this? Alright, we're ready.
What the? Courtesy of the Toy Meister.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.